Welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how we can find the decomposition to this particular partial fraction. So this is basically a partial fraction or a rational expression, and you want to find or want to decompose this partial fraction expression. Okay, so we have a quadratic expression at the bottom. So we have to check if it is factorizable or it can be factorized. Okay, so right from here, what we do is that we check the possible elements that can be used to factor this x squared minus x minus 6. Okay, so looking at this, the first element that will suit this is x minus 3 and x plus 2. So here we can write this expression as x minus 3, x plus 2. Okay, so once we have this simplified or expressed in this way, then we can go ahead and decompose it. So from here, we can say that x plus 1 over x minus 3, x plus 2, right, is equivalent to a over x minus 3 plus b over x plus 2, right? So this information here is equivalent to this. So that is the decomposition process. So from here, we can say that when you find the LCM for this, you can see that x minus 3 and x plus 2 will be the LCM. So when you do that, you are going to have x minus 3, s plus 2. Right? So from here, you can see that this goes off, and then we have x plus 2 here. So x plus 2a plus b into x minus 3, right? So this information is now equal to this information is now, okay, so this is equivalent to x minus 3, x plus 2. Right? So we can see that we have the same denominators. Okay, x minus 3 plus and s plus 2, and also s minus 3, s plus 2. So once we have the same denominators, then we can equate the numerators. So we equate the numerators. Okay, so we equate the numerators, then we are going to have a into x plus 2 plus b into x minus 3. That should be giving us s plus 1, right? Because we are saying that the denominators are the same, so we should equate the numerators, meaning that we should put equal to sign between the left hand side and the right hand side. Okay, now we are interested in finding the values of the unknown variables called b and a, or a and b. So from here, we say that let x equals what? Minus 2. You see, when x equals 2 or x equals minus 2, you have this part going up because you have minus 2 plus 2, and that becomes 0. So we have a into minus 2 plus 2 plus b into minus 2 minus 3, and that is equal to minus 2 plus 1. So we have here this going off because this becomes 0. Then we have minus 2 minus 3 becomes minus 5. So we have minus 5b is equal to minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 becomes minus 1. So we have minus 1 here. So dividing through by minus 5, we can say that our b is equal to 1 on 5. Very, very nice. So the next is to find the a also. So we do the same thing we did here to find the a as well. So let's x equals 3. from here so that we can find the A. So if that is true, then we can say that A into 3 plus 2 plus B into 3 minus 3, and that's equal to 3 plus 1, right? So from here, we can say that we have 5A plus, this goes up because 3 minus 3 becomes 0, 0 times B becomes 0, so this part goes off. That should be equal to 3 plus 1 becomes 4, right? So we have our A to be equal to 4 on 5, right? So this is our A. Okay, so we have been able to obtain the values for A and B respectively. So once we have that, let's go and substitute into the decomposed expression so that we can know what we have over there. So now you can say that f of x, which is equal to x plus 1 over s squared minus x minus 6, is equal to x plus 1 over x minus 3 into x plus 2, right? This that we know that this is equal to, this right here is basically equivalent to, now our A is 4 on 5. So we have 4 on 5 over x minus 3. So we have x minus 3 plus our B is 1 on 5. So we have 1 on 5 over x plus 2. Great. So once we have this information, what can we do? We know that 4 on 5 is basically, we can express it in this way, to have x plus 1 over s minus 3 into s plus 2. That is equivalent to 4 over 5 into x minus 3 plus 1 over 5 into s plus 2. So this is the decomposed expression, or this is the decomposed partial fraction for this partial fraction. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your mates, and I'll give you more updates. Bye bye.